Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to receive Bitcoin on Luno wallet. First, open your Luno app and head to the Wallets section. From there, select your Bitcoin wallet. You'll then see an option to tap Receive, which will generate your unique Bitcoin address. This address is essential for anyone sending you Bitcoin, ensuring it arrives safely in your Luno account. Once your Bitcoin address is generated, you have a couple of options for sharing it. You can easily copy the address to your clipboard and paste it into a message or email for the sender. Alternatively, for convenience, you can present the QR code. The sender can simply scan this code with their wallet app to automatically input your address, minimizing errors. After the sender initiates the transaction, it won't appear instantly in your Luno wallet. Bitcoin transactions need to be confirmed by the network. Luno generally requires 3 network confirmations before the funds are credited to your account. This process ensures the security and integrity of the transaction, typically taking a few minutes to an hour depending on network congestion. When receiving Bitcoin, always double-check the address to ensure accuracy. A wrong address can lead to lost funds. Remember to only send Bitcoin to a Bitcoin address, as sending other cryptocurrencies to it will result in permanent loss. Also, be aware that network fees are involved in transactions, which can vary based on network activity. Stay vigilant for a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.